in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it's a spooky field right now. Those sandstorm has come through Planet Primus, making it very hard for the drivers to be able to see right now. They are going to try and use some pre-programmed instructions, perhaps some high-definition video cameras to navigate the storm. But the storm has lifted, and now our drivers have full visibility of their cargo ships and their rocket ships. 55-56 Carriagetown Robotics, they have still got a hold of a preloaded hatch panel, and they're going to try and get that placed up and onto that cargo ship. Each one of those hatch panels that is placed by these alliances will earn their teams 2 points. The Red Alliance going for double barrel scoring action. We have both the Robockets and Infinite Loop putting on 2 hatch panels right on the bottom of this red rocket. Their alliance partner, Andromeda 1, they've got a hold of a piece of cargo. Every one of those pieces of cargo that is scored inside the rocket or cargo ship is going to be worth 3 points. They shoot it in, and it is sealed in place. 80 seconds here left on the clock as Infinite Loop is going up to level 2 on the rocket, trying to place another hatch panel. Uh-oh, it appears that the General Robotics have gotten hung up on top of a piece of cargo, but with some quick help of their alliance partners, the Warrior Robotics, they are back and driving in the game. We see Andromeda 1 popping in another piece of cargo. They've now got 2 pieces of cargo inside their rocket ship. Alliances that can work together and score 6 hatches and 6 pieces of cargo on a rocket ship will earn an additional ranking point. There's some very close coordination going down right now between Infinite Loop and Andromeda 1 as one places a hatch panel as another piece of cargo is scored. 30 seconds now left in the match as we see the Robockets depositing another piece of cargo inside the cargo ship. Oh, and Andromeda 1 drops a piece of cargo and gets it lodged inside their robot, but with some quick driving, they release it. We see with 15 seconds, the Robockets are taking flight, going up higher and higher. Can they get all the way up on that 3rd level of the HAB climb? We're gonna have to see what up. We've got 2 robots back home for blue. We've got 3 robots home for red. But whoa, there's some wires dangling down out of the Robockets. We'll have to see if those are touching the bottom of the HAB. We have our scores here, and it was the Red Alliance taking home the win here, getting 68 points. You will see that they receive 2 ranking points for the win in the match, and an additional 3rd ranking point. That's why the habitat is colored in up on the screen, because they scored more than 15 HAB climbing points. With that 21-point score, they will gain an additional ranking point. That keeps the Robockets in 1st and moves Infinite Loop and Andromeda 1 into those coveted top 8 seeded positions.
Just a reminder to teams, please do not stand in front of those black barricades. We do have a media section, but that is only when your team is up. But please do not stand in front of the black barricades. We want to make sure everyone has viewing of the field. So please, if you are by the black barricade and standing, please find a seat in the bleachers. We want to make sure everyone can see the field as best as they can with the field. That makes sense. So please, if you're standing by a barricade and you're not in that media box, please take a seat in the stands. There's plenty of seats.